Have you ever wondered how intelligent robots are designed and programmed? Welcome to the intriguing world of robotics engineering. This field is an exciting amalgamation of computer science, mechanical engineering, and electrical engineering, all working together in perfect harmony. Robotics engineers are the brain behind the machines, the creators of the mechanical marvels that have transformed our world. They are the ones who dream up, design, and bring to life the intelligent robots that are becoming an integral part of our daily existence. From the microscopic nanobots in the medical field, to the gigantic industrial robots in manufacturing, it's the robotics engineers who make it all possible. Their work doesn't end at creation. They are also responsible for the maintenance and improvement of these mechanical beings, ensuring their optimal performance and longevity. So if you're fascinated by the world of robots, it's the robotics engineers you have to thank for these marvelous machines. But what exactly does a robotics engineer do? Well, let's dive in. At the core, robotics engineers are the creative minds that design and build robots. They sketch out ideas, bring them to life with three-dimensional modeling software, and then construct the physical form. But their responsibility doesn't stop at design. They also have to breathe life into these machines. How do they do that? They program the robots. Whether it's a robot that assembles cars in a factory, or a robotic arm that assists in a delicate surgical procedure, a robotics engineer codes the software that allows these machines to perform their tasks with precision and consistency. But creating and programming a robot isn't the end of the journey. These engineers also test their creations rigorously, tweaking, refining, and perfecting their designs until they can perform their functions flawlessly. When things go awry, as they sometimes do, it's the robotics engineer who rolls up their sleeves to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. What's particularly exciting about this field is the diversity. Robotics engineers work in a myriad of industries, from healthcare to manufacturing, and their creations can range from tiny components to full-sized automated machines. One day, they might be working on a microscopic nanobot for medical research, and the next, they could be building a colossal industrial robot for a manufacturing plant. In essence, robotics engineers are the architects of our automated future. Are you intrigued by the role of a robotics engineer and wondering what it takes to become one? Well, let's dive right into it. Typically, the journey begins with a bachelor's degree in an engineering field. This could be robotics engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, or even computer science. These degrees equip you with a strong foundation in mathematics, physics, and of course, engineering principles. But a degree alone isn't enough. You see, robotics is a field that calls for a unique blend of skills. Problem solving is key, as you'll often be tasked with finding innovative solutions to complex issues. Creativity is another essential trait, allowing you to design intelligent and efficient robots. And let's not forget a strong understanding of computer programming. Without it, your robots are just fancy paperweights. So, if you have a passion for technology and a desire to shape the future, a career in robotics engineering could be your perfect fit. It's clear that the world of robotics engineering is both fascinating and complex. We've delved into the captivating universe of robotics, highlighting the integral role of robotics engineers in designing and programming these intelligent machines. We've also touched on the necessary qualifications to embark on this thrilling career journey. In essence, robotics engineering merges creativity, technical skills, and a desire for innovation. Who knows? Perhaps one day you'll be the one designing the robots of the future. Until then, keep wondering and keep learning.